In today's video, I will teach you how to turn anyone into an avatar character using Photoshop. Let's get started. Let's start by preparing your image. First, choose a large, well-lit photograph, ideally taken with a flash to capture sharp details. Then load this image into Photoshop. Now we're going to recolor the skin. In the toolbar, choose a chalk brush or any other hard brush. Then set the brush mode to color and opacity to 50. Then set a shade of blue from the color palette. Then brush over the entire skin area, avoiding the hair, eyes, and clothing. Then repeat this process by varying shades of blue. Different images may require different shades, so you can adjust according to your photograph. Now we're going to add purple highlights. Choose a purple shade and set the brush opacity to 10%. Then paint the lips and lightly brush random areas on the face for a natural look. If your subject has facial hair, remove it by using the clone stamp tool. Start by zooming in, then hold the Alt key to select the source area. And click to paint over the stubble. Then choose source areas that matches the target area for a natural look. Now we're going to modify the ears. If the person has long hair, use the clone stamp tool to copy the hair over the ears. And for short hair, paint the ears black to blend with the background or import Navi ears from an online source. To do this, find a Navi ear image online and import it to Photoshop. Then use the polygonal lasso tool to mask around the ear, then drag it into the project or copy and paste it. Then resize and reposition the ear using the Move tool. And if needed, right-click the ear layer to duplicate it and flip it horizontally for the second ear. Now we're going to enlarge the eyes. Duplicate your main image layer, then use the polygonal lasso tool to create a mask around each eye, including the eyelids and eyebrows. Then select the Move tool and enlarge the eyes to the desired size. Then copy and paste the selection to create a new layer for the eyes. Then duplicate this layer and erase one eye from each layer so you have a separate eye layer for each eye. Then use the arrow keys to fine-tune the position of each eye. To clean up overlaps, use the eraser tool to remove any overlapping areas, revealing the underlying layer. Now we're going to reshape the nose. Select the nose area with the rectangular marquee tool, then go to Filter, then Liquify. Then use the Forward Warp tool with brush density and brush pressure set to 100 to reshape the nose into a Navi-like structure. And you can also use the Reconstruct tool if needed. And to define the nose, use the Burn and Dodge tools with range to set the midtones and exposure to 5% to add definition. Then highlight the irises and add pink to the nose tip using the Brush tool set to color. Continue using the Burn and Dodge tools to add definition around the face. And if overall image is too dark or too light, use the Levels adjustment by going to Layers, New Adjustment Layer, then Levels. Then adjust the sliders or use the Auto for quick corrections. Now we're going to add patterns and sparkles. Use the Burn tool set to midtones and shadows, and the Brush tool with the hardness set to 50% and opacity around 10% to add patterns and sparkles. Then check for any areas needing additional tweaks or touch-ups. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.